Why hello Madventure fans, curiosity got the Madcats. Why are we here? Why are we back? Why are we posting this video? Who knows? Why we ask ourselves that same question. We've actually come back as an apology, so it's a big apology to you guys, the true Madventure fans that's been out there looking for the next Madventure hit. And yes, like I say, big apologies to you guys. We've just gone completely off the radar for the last 2 years. We shut down social media, shut down a lot of the videos, shut down quite a lot of it really, and just switched off completely. Reasons being a catalyst of events, the pandemic hit, I got a change in career, I've ended up in an office jobs. Love it. But yeah, so we're back now, like I say, just as an apology and just to sort of say, look, we've still got the boat, we're still okay, we've survived it. I hope you guys have survived out there. If not, Davey will have met you on the other side, so he's just not telling me that he's met you. So this, yeah, we've actually, we've not stopped completely for the last 2 years. We've actually just moved the boat as well. We came up 2 years ago to Hull. Hello people of Hull, I did say Hull, yeah, East Riding, Yorkshire, where they make Yorkshire tea. Fantastic place. River Humber, very busy, but hello people of Hull. Me and my dad came up, first time for my dad sailing as well, so that was an experience with me and my dad coming up as well. Them videos we didn't show you because I switched off at the time and it was just like that, we're at the end of the end, but they're still there, they're still hovering about, so whether I release them for you to see, who knows, we'll see on that one. But yeah, we've come up to the boat now because it's not been maintained for 2 years, so it's just sort of get on top of some of the maintenance. There's been a queue to take the boat out due to obvious reasons, so we need to catch up with the maintenance. And the other thing I'd like to say as well is the Madventures, they've stopped, but we've moved on to a riverboat as well. I've got a riverboat now as well as this. I'm not showing off. This boat, when we bought it in 2017, it were a very cheap boat, and I've just maintained it and done my little add-ons just as and when I can afford it. I'm not mega rich. That's why I've got a small boat. The boat itself's only probably 1.5 meters that way by 1.5 meters that way, so just shows you 24 foot, not a massive mega yacht. Yeah, they're expensive to maintain, but that's the expensive bit. Once you've got the boat, it's just the maintenance. So the plan is to save up now. That's why I've moved out of the house. It was just costing me too much, and there's just me, myself and my shadow, so the plan was try and gather some nuts then for the future. Whether it be a bigger boat, who knows, we'll see, because I absolutely love the ocean sailing. I prefer the ocean sailing to the canals and rivers. It's alright, canals and rivers, but it's a very steady pace of life if you sort of like that. But the great thing with it is there's a pub probably every mile or so, so if you've got to become a full-time, yeah, the pubs are great for that. Go for a meal, a few drinks to the wee hours of the morning, so they're great for that. But as for ocean sailing, love it. So that's it really, guys. So it's just an apology and a goodbye from us. So like I say, you guys take care, keep in touch if you want to. The channels are there still. There's Messenger through Facebook, Instagram's still there. So yeah, you guys take care out there, and all I can say is it's goodbye from me, and it's goodbye from Davey, and it's goodbye from the boat. So wishing you well, guys. Take care. Ta-ta.